So I'm getting ready to replace the rear wiper blade on this 2017 Nissan Pathfinder. I'll show you how to replace the rear wiper blade on it. This video should cover like a 2013 to the current model year, which is right now a 2020. So it's not too hard to do. I'll show you what's involved if you need to replace yours. Pick the wiper blade up and off the rear window like this and kind of put it in the upright position. And you're going to bend the blade up just like that. And you'll see down in here, there's like a little notch. And you're going to kind of press the wiper blade out of that notch like that. And you can worm the blade out of the arm. So there's a pin in here just like that, and on the wiper blade arm you'll see a slot that goes in like that. So if you're putting a new wiper blade on, put the blade like this, put it into the hole like that, and then like align it with the slot. And then you should be able to push it in place. You can hear it click in. Then just give it a quick tug. Make sure that it doesn't come out, and you should be all set. It's a pretty easy procedure. It's not too hard. Hope this video helped you out. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, leave a comment. I will help you out. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. We got a lot of great content coming out. Thanks for watching.